Right, out today with young Keith and myself. I've come to my first signal, so I forgot what numbers it was. Say look. 48, 49. Right, let's have a look. There she is in here, not in that bit, it's in this bit, not in that, it's in there. Ah, there you go. Right, it's a bit of a shotgun cap. Right, there you go, it's a brass and it's non-ferrous, so... Right, back to you in a bit. Right, both me and Keith checking this. I heard it was a faint squeak. And I said, yeah, have a listen to that. He said, it's a grunt. Anyhow, I says, well, I'm getting a good signal on it. And I dug it out and flipped it out, and there you go. Going. Right, just let me use these magic trousers. I'm sure I got these from down south. Because they're cleaning them up. I'm a rotten twat, don't I? Right, I think that is a farthing. I'm not 100%, but I think it's a farthing. Right, so happy with that. Right, back to you in a bit.
Just shows.
Right, Keith just dug this. It's an iron buckle, but because of the shape on it, that's why you get such a good signal. So, that was my first thing of the day, iron buckle. Right, I've got a 32 in here, so I'm hoping it's a button, because I ain't had a decent button yet with this. So, let's have a look. Yeah, it must be in the middle. Come on, where are you? It might even be coke, in which case my pinpointer will not pick it up, so I might as well turn that off and just do this with oil. Whoops. Ah, here.
Coke.
Coke.
What's that 50 watt for?
That's 29 now, it's out of oil, but it was 32. It was 32 before. When it were picking it up with pinpointer, my money were on coke, because we being a PI pointer, they don't pick coke up. Right, back to you in a bit.
That pipe weighs more than me!
Right, here we are. Looks like a smack pipe. A crack pipe, that's it, innit? Not smack. Crack pipe. It's like what they make them out, isn't it? Them fittings. Yeah. And there you go.
Innit?
Right, back to you in a bit. Right, the next signal. Oh, I'm in Goldmax power here, but I've put it into two-tone. I've changed a few of the settings. I'm getting a 66 on this anyhow. I'm not sure if that's it. Now that's a stone. Anyway, I'm getting a 66. No. Oh, it's in there, blowing my eardrums off. Now in that bit, Not in that bit. Oh, is it gone? Bloody hell. Oh, it's in my hand. In my hand. Right. Is that it? Nope. That must be it. Right. Yep, this is it. Ah, it's part of the clog clasp. Right. There you go, part of the clog clasp. Yep. Part of the clog clasp. Right. Happy with that. Back to you in a bit. Right, when I've put my clog clasp in my little box, I've just had another look at this coin, and it's one of them Cumberland Jack tokens, Victorian. Right, you can see it, horse and rider up back. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I'm getting a 6869 in here. So, let's have a look. Oh, it's in here, and it's there. Aye, shotgun, brass shotgun cartridge end. Never mind, could have been a coin or a button somewhere. Will it burn? Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I'm getting a 1991 here. Come on. Oh, take some bleeding brick in there. Right, it's not in place there. There. Oh yes, it's a button. Oh lovely. Complete button, shank still intact, and I'm not sure it's military or what. I'll tell you in a minute. Just let me give me it to clean on my wellies this time. Neoprene wellies, they're alright for cleaning stuff. There you go. General service button. Oh, I'm dead chuffed with that. That's brilliant. Right, back to you in a bit. Beautiful sweet signal here, 96, 97. I dug it out, and there you go. Piece of copper plate. Been oiling it. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, and it looks like a spoon or a fork angle. It's got some pattern on it. I think it's a spoon handle missing. It has got some pattern on it. So, right, there you go. That was a 78, 79, something like that. Right, back to you in a bit. Keith found something here.
Like a bit of lead.
Don't know what it is, but it's only small. No idea, mate.
No idea.
Yeah, that goes. It's not a bullet. Right, back to you. Right, this one, it was a bit iffy. It was good enough signal to catch my attention, and I thought, I swung round it quite a few times, changed different modes and all sorts, and I thought, I'm going to dig it, bugger it. And I'm glad I did. There you go. It's a bit of lead. Straight bit of lead. Don't know what it would have been. But there you go. It just shows you the iffy signals. Get them dug. Right, back in a bit. Right, Keith just shouted me off.
Is it?
Button, it says.
Is it?
And there you go, it's a tomback. Tomback button. Nice one, mate. 1700s.
Cheers, me on.
Right.
Only look at that, aren't it?
Yep, it's a cuff button. Back to you in a bit. Right, Keith showing me his next find. D-buckle. There you go.
Cheers, Paul.
Right, back to you in a bit. Right, this will give me a lovely 66 squeak. Oh, that's chuffing impression. It's here. There you go. Right, it's a button, mate. Right thin flat button. Right, there you go. Proper thin flat button, that. A flat button, mate. Right, so there you go. What an impression. 66 signal. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, Keith with first CCR at day. And look at that, baby. Now that is gaffers. Hey, definitely. He's the boss. If he says it's fucking set day, it's set day.
Oh, come this, I don't think anyone signal.
Yeah. Beauty, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, back to you in a bit. Right, sun's gone behind clouds and wind's got up a little bit and it's dropped a bit cool. Anyhow, my next signal, it was a solid 96, it was absolutely blowing my eardrums out. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know. Never mind. Back to you in a bit.
My excitement so goes forward.
He's laughing his jumping here off, Keith. I've got a lovely 74 signal here, absolutely sweet as out. Got this out and goes, ah, bastard! Ring pull, I don't know, never mind. Back to you in a bit. Right, next signal give me a lovely 74, I think, 76, can't remember. Somewhere thereabouts. And 2 pieces of lead. Looks like it's been broke in antiquity. I ain't broke it. But anyway, there you go. Don't know what it was. If made of brass, I'd have sworn it, or bronze, I'd have sworn it was a strap end, but no, it's made of lead. There you go. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, it was absolutely screaming at me. There you go. Jack's cider bottle cap. The buggers, I should take the bottle caps home with them. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, this is Keith soil. Don't fall in. As long as the legs are sticking out, I'll be able to drag the art. Mind, with a fucking belly like that, I don't know, that more likely get stuck. Yeah, dear. It's a right depth, that oil. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to turn it off while he gets to it because, you know, it might go on for another half hour yet. We don't know how deep it is.
And we're both getting right signals.
Yeah, both getting good signals, beautiful signals.
It's
Just hoping it's going to be something good and not iron. Again, as that false signal. both getting sweet. I've 97, 98 on Deus in hot mode. I put it in deep mode, it's giving me a 99. Keith's getting 90 odd on T2, and signal's as sweet as out, so Chuff knows what it is. We're hoping it's going to be something good anyway. Right, back to you when we get a sight on it. Right, Keith's next find. It's a CCR for a budgie. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, give me a 74. A little bit of green there. I think it's a button, I'm not sure. Yep. Yep, looks like a button. Give us a second, I'll get a little brush. Right. Got a bit of shiny on it, so never know, it might clean up a bit. But you'll see it round up anyhow. Right, back to you in a bit. Right,
but I hit it.
Keith's just flipped this clod out. He was getting 80 odd, now we're getting 92, wasn't it?
87 and then 90.
Yeah, that were on T2, and now we're getting 92. And there you go, he flipped clod out. There's imprint. And here's coin. Feels like a George III. Or a George II. Back in oil, trying to get away from me. Do you want me to get some of these magic trousers that I got from Devon?
Why? If it come out as clean as they do.
Magic trousers.
It polishes them, doesn't it, Paul?
Ah. There you go. That's a George III, I think, mate. That's Britannia there. Britannia, facing left Britannia. Flip it. Can't remember, is it George? It's either George 2 or George 3. I'll just get another wipe on these magic breeches. George 2 or George 3, I can't remember. But Britannia is facing... Was she facing left? Looks like she's facing left there. I think it's 3, I'm not sure. George 3rd, half penny, half penny. Right, nice one, Keith.
Yes.
Right. I'm using Teknetics T2 at the minute. I've just let Keith use this because he's on about getting a Deus light. So what I've done, I've turned control box, get him headphones and Deus, and so he'll know what a Deus light's going to be like. So now I've let him use that for now. And I'm just doing my first signal with T2 on here, and I've got a piece of aluminium. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, again, a lovely 63 signal here. See what I've got. Right, it's in here. Break it open. Right. Square piece of copper plate. There you go. No idea what it is, but it's non-ferrous. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, it's in here. Give me an 82, so let's have a look. Got to be a coin ball. Never are for me. Oh, hold on. Hey up now, it's not a coin. It's a brass nut. Fuck me. Told me it wouldn't be a coin ball, didn't I? Yeah, dear. Right, there you go. Brass nut. Mine are nut balls. Right, back to you in a bit. Keith's got there you go. Coin, here tuppence.
Looks like it.
Or is it above? Right, it's a tuppence. We got a 2p modern coin. Something's screaming. No telling. What's that? Iron.
Iron.
Piece of iron and all. So there you go. 2p with a bit of iron.
Side of it and all.
Right. Back to you in a bit. Right, today's roundup. This is old Keith's shite. Massive Celtic cock ring there. And a tiny 1-foot budgie there. Right. And then his better stuff. 2-2 slug. A wesher. A 2p piece. Another 2p. Another 2p. A George III, we think, halfpenny, a tomback button, a spoon, a D-buckle off harness, and a bit of lead. He's not done bad it, lad. Right, and on to my stuff. Right, then here's my stuff. That's all my shite. Now a piece of lead, that gave me a right signal, that. Brass nut, and a bit of copper. And these 3 pieces of lead. Don't know what they were. Then my Cumberland Jack, Victorian token. Spoon handle. Don't know what that is, whether it's a rubber off a pencil or what, I don't know. Got old rubber on, should I say. Then I've got my clog clasp, a flat button, another button there with some shiny on it, and general service button. I've got that right around. I have now. And a general service button. So there you go. We've enjoyed the day, sun's been out, got a little bit nippy with wind, but we've enjoyed it. So anyhow, from Keith,
See ya.
and till next time, take care, good luck, happy hunting, subscribe to my channel or else don't. Right, I'll catch you later.